Hey, welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you improve your English skills, whether it's grammar, pronunciation, you came to the right place. So today I want to go over another 5 words that new English speakers have trouble pronouncing. So the first word I want to go over is the word accessory. So the word accessory refers to a small thing you would wear with clothing to add style. So an example of an accessory would be a bracelet or a watch or a necklace. Again, the word is pronounced accessory. Now, the second word is Antarctic. So the word Antarctic refers to a region in the world that is extremely cold. So for example, the North Pole, right? The North Pole is a very cold place on Earth, right? You can think of countries like, or regions like Nunavut, right? So in any country, the more northern is considered extremely cold. Now, the third word is athlete. An athlete is a person who is skilled in sports or physical activity. So soccer players, basketball players, baseball players, hockey players, they're all considered athletes. Again, the word is pronounced athlete. A group of so if you have more than one athlete, right, you would say athletes, right, with an S. It's plural, right? Plural means more than one. The fourth word is cash. So when I say cash, it doesn't mean money. Sounds like it, but this refers to a hiding place for storing away goods. So a good is a product, right? A good is a product that you store away. That's referred to as cash. And the last word, which I'm sure you've heard of, is chaos. It's pronounced chaos. So chaos refers to complete disorder or confusion. So when things aren't in the right place, we call that chaos. All right? So those are 5 words that new English speakers find difficulty pronouncing. And I hope this video helped. Now, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, because I try my best to post videos on this channel every single day to help you with your English skills. And like always, I'll see you next time. Take care.